is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, and I'm so blessed to have some sponsors. So thank you very much to our dear sponsor for this. She wanted me to feel beautiful. To feel beautiful lang ah. I didn't say that I'm beautiful. So she likes me to be feeling beautiful. So we have here nature skin mask, water flavor. We also have nature spring mask. I think, what's this? Pomegranate. Pomi. I'm not so familiar with this. And then we also have nature spring pearl flavor and nature skin mask cucumber flavor. So thank you very much for this beauty tips. Thank you very much for this. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So 3 variations. Yeah.